Hey everyone, welcome back to Checkify Pro tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the process of connecting Airwallex to your Checkify Pro account so you can start accepting global payments smoothly, securely, and without any hassle. This tutorial is perfect even if it's your first time using Airwallex or API integrations, so don't worry. I'll guide you through everything. But before we get started, make sure you already have an active Airwallex business account. If not, head over to airwallex.com and create one, but keep in mind, Airwallex is only available in selected countries. And now, let's dive right in. First, log into your Checkify Pro admin dashboard. On the left-hand menu, navigate to payment methods, and you'll see Airwallex listed among the available providers. Next to Airwallex, click the Connect button. Once this page opens, keep this tab open, don't close it, because in a moment, we'll paste all the credentials here. Checkify Pro will show 3 important fields: Client ID, API key, and webhook secret. And right now, these fields are empty, but we're going to fill them in step by step. Now let's switch over to your Airwallex dashboard. From the top menu, go to Developer and then click on API keys. When you open this section, look in the top right corner and click New API Key. This will open the page where you can create a scoped API key. Here, enter a clear and descriptive API key name, something that helps you easily recognize it later. For example, Checkify Integration. Below, Airwallex will show a list of permissions. Select only the options you need for your integration, or follow the recommended settings provided in the documentation. Once you're done selecting the permissions, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Create to generate your new API key. Airwallex will ask you to confirm your password for security reasons. Go ahead and enter it. Once the API key is generated, make sure to copy it immediately because Airwallex will only show it once. If you lose it, you'll have to generate a new one. Return to the Checkify Pro tab and paste the API key into the second field. Next, we need the client ID, which is a unique identifier for your Airwallex account. Just go back to your Airwallex page and copy it. Go back to Checkify Pro and paste it into the client ID field above API key. So far, so good. 2 fields done, 1 more to go. Next, we need to set up a webhook. A webhook is basically a way for Airwallex to notify Checkify Pro about events, things like payment attempts, payment successes, failures, refunds, and so on. This is essential because without the webhook, Checkify Pro wouldn't know when a payment is completed. So in your Airwallex dashboard, still under Developer, click on Webhooks, then select Add Webhook. In the notification URL field, you'll need to paste the webhook link provided by Checkify Pro. It usually looks like this. Copy that link from your Checkify Pro window and paste it into Airwallex. Next, you'll see a list of events. Make sure you select Payment Attempt and all related payment events. This ensures every transaction status is sent back to Checkify Pro correctly. Once everything is selected, click Submit. After creating the webhook, Airwallex will show you a webhook secret. This is another important security key, so again, copy it right away. Head back to the Checkify Pro tab and paste the webhook secret into the final field. Perfect. All 3 fields are now filled in. Once everything is entered, the client ID, the API key, and the webhook secret, go ahead and click Connect inside Checkify Pro. If all the information is correct, you'll see a success message appear at the top of the page. And that's it. Your Airwallex integration is officially live. Now, Checkify Pro can communicate with Airwallex in real time and process payments without any additional setup. After the integration is connected, you can customize how Airwallex works on your checkout. You can choose which countries can use Airwallex, enable or disable specific payment types, decide if you want to offer Apple Pay, Google Pay, or traditional card payments, and turn on dozens of popular local methods like Ideal, SEPA, Klarna, and many more. Feel free to explore the settings inside Checkify Pro and the Airwallex dashboard to tailor everything exactly the way you need. And that's it. Your Airwallex integration with Checkify Pro is all set and ready to go. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more guides on payments, integrations, and checkout optimization. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.